Pinaskali, wala na tubig.
This is Peter Perez Jr., 26 years old. My motto in life is believe, achieve, and dream, then you will receive.
Great power comes with a great responsibility. Good evening, everyone. I'm Arian Cuenas, 21 years old, representing NCM 102. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm John Anthony Badyang, 21 years old, representing 101.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Princess Cannon, representing the class NCM 101.
Dili na mo murag ina ng kuan. Dili na mo sir murag ina ng kanang kusan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Carl Anthony Siniza, 22 years of age, currently residing in Capitol Hill, Cebu City. And I'm proud to represent NCM 101.
Caballero, 20 years old. I believe that life is not a race, but a journey to be savored.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing right in front of you is Mr. Timothy Burr Sanchez Bobol. My motto in life would be never give up, regardless of your challenges. Don't forget that, okay? And I am representing Who Rules? You heard them.
Representing the class of first year.
Azulikun, you can see the party, but you can feel it deeply. I am a frail but have a veritable heart. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A man standing before you is a man who believes in his principle that I can never be someone else, but I can only be a woman forever. I am Khalid Ismimba, 20, and first year Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and proud to present to you the first year and second year nursing Green Team!
Good start.
evening to each and everyone. I'm Krisha Casey Sarnelio, 20 years of age, representing NCM 104.
Good evening to everyone. This is Patrick T. Madiante from the City of Smiles, Bacolod City. And I'm very honored to represent NCM 104.
I may be the smallest, but mind you, I can be the best. Bringing along my trust and confidence within me, my name is Geraldine Fashol, 18 years of age, presently residing at Alang-Alang, Mandaue City, and a third-year college student taking up the course of Bachelor in Elementary Education, major in Special Education. Once again, this has been your Kenny number 7 sa inyo. Maayong gabi, malipayong pagtanaw, ug Tagal-Armen, gihigugma ko kamo.
The light just keeps getting hotter and hotter, doesn't it?
Oh my God, it's so hot.
My goodness.
Hey guys, are you okay?
Enjoying it so far?
I'm enjoying the night. Yeah. Okay, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That was our hot steak, really. So, anyway, we have 6 pairs and 1